Unveiling the Serenity, Understanding in the Halcyon Days. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a beautiful and evocative phrase that paints pictures of calm and peaceful times in our minds. In the Halcyon Days. Join us as we unravel the meaning behind this phrase, its origins, and how you can use it to enrich your English speaking and writing. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover the tranquility hidden in these words. In the Halcyon Days refers to a time of peace, tranquility, and happiness. It evokes images of the perfect days of the past, where everything seemed brighter and more serene. This phrase is often used to reminisce about a period that was especially joyful or calm, free from strife or hardship. It's a way to look back fondly on a time that is remembered for its bliss and contentment. The story behind In the Halcyon Days is as intriguing as the phrase itself. It originates from ancient Greek mythology and the word halcyon. According to legend, the halcyon was a bird, often associated with the kingfisher, which had the power to calm the winds and waves during the winter solstice. This led to the belief in a period of calm weather around this time, traditionally lasting 7 days before and after the solstice, known as the Halcyon Days. This phrase is a wonderful addition to your English vocabulary, allowing you to express nostalgia and tranquility eloquently. Here are some examples of how to use it. When reminiscing about childhood, in the halcyon days of my youth, summers seemed endless and full of adventure. To recall a peaceful time in history, the decade was seen as the halcyon days of economic prosperity and social harmony. In literature or storytelling, to set a serene scene, the novel begins in the halcyon days before the war, in a village untouched by the chaos that would follow. In the Halcyon Days is more than just a phrase, it's a portal to times of joy and serenity, reminding us of the peaceful moments that stand out in our lives and history. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and depth of this expression, enriching your English language journey. Remember, language is not just about communication, it's about connecting with others and sharing our human experiences. Until next time, keep exploring the richness of English and finding joy in its expressions. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.